Today I have selected this video for the students of class 10th and the subject is maths, and in this subject we will study here exercise 3.7. Okay, in earlier videos I have discussed many exercises in first chapter and in third chapter. This is the last exercise of this chapter. Okay, so let's see. Question number first: 5 chairs and 4 tables together cost rupees 2800, means 2800, while 4 chairs and 3 tables together cost rupees 2170. 2170. Okay, now find the cost of a chair and that of a table. Means we have to find the cost of a chair and only a table. Okay, and the name of this chapter is pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Okay, in 2 variables means we have to let 2 variables here to solve this question. So see here, now it is our solution. See, let the cost of each of chair be rupees X. Okay, let the cost of each of chair be rupees X. Means you can write here also, let the cost of a chair be rupees X, and the cost or you can say write this and that of each, and you can write in short that of each table be rupees Y. See here, let the cost of each of chair be rupees X and that of each table be rupees Y. It's right. So we let here 2 variables X and Y. So now according to first condition, you can write in this way, first condition. According to first condition, see here, what is first condition? 5 chairs and 4 tables together cost rupees 2800. Means the total cost of 5 chairs and 4 tables, is here 2800. If the cost of one chair is X rupees, so the cost of 5 chairs will be 5 into X, means 5X, plus because it is together means in addition, plus, and the cost of a table is means each table be rupees Y. So here is given 4 table, so 4Y. If the cost of a table is Y, so 4 table is 4Y is equal to, is given here 2800. This will be your equation first. It's right according to first condition. See again, and according to second condition. See here, now second condition we apply here. Second condition, what is second condition question? The second condition is in this question, 4 chairs, means the cost of, you can understand it in this way, the cost of 4 chairs and 3 tables together is rupees 2170. Same as cost of 1 chair is X and 1 table is Y. So the cost of 4 chairs is 4X. 4 into X means 4X, plus the cost of 3 tables is 3Y. The cost of 3 tables is 3y is equal to total cost is 2170 from the question. See here, this is the total cost. Okay, now this will be second equation. Now we see here we have to solve here from equation first and second. See, what is your first equation? We write here again 5x plus 4y is equal to 2800, and this was first equation, and here 4x plus 3y is equal to 2170. This was second. Okay, see, now we have to solve it. In earlier videos we have solved many types of this question by using different types of methods like graphical methods, elimination method, substitution method, okay, and so on. So see here, we use elimination method. Now here is 5x but here is 4x, here is 4y but here is 3y, means the coefficient of x in both equations are not equal and the coefficients of y in both equations are not equal. So first of all we have to make equal these coefficients. First of all we select the coefficient of y, because we can solve here by taking one coefficient either x or y. So we select here variable y and its coefficient. Okay, so here 4, here is 3, means we write here on multiplying equation 1 by equation 1 by 3, and in equation second by 4. See, means in first equation we have to multiply by 3, and in second equation, in this equation we have to multiply by 4. It's right. So we solve here. First of all, in equation first we have to multiply by 3. 3 5 is 15. Here we get 15x plus 3 4 is 12y is equal to 3 0 0 0 3 8 is 24, carry on to 3 to the 6 to 8. It's right. This was our equation number 3. Clear? Again in equation 2, means in this equation we have to multiply by 4. 4 4 is 16x plus 4 3 is 12y is equal to 4 0 0 4 7 is 28, carry on to 4 1 is 4 2 6 and 4 2 is 8. This will be our question, our equation number 4. This is equation number 4. Now we have to solve it. It's clear? Again check it. 4 0 0 4 7 is 28, carry on to 4 1 is 4 2 6 and 4 2 is 8. It's right. Now we see here everywhere the sign of plus is given, means here is plus, here is plus, here is plus, here is everywhere plus. So when we have to solve it, this is means 12y and this is 12y, means in both equations 12y is common, means it can be cancelled out. So we have to write here on subtracting we change the sign, plus will be minus, plus will be minus, and here plus will be minus. So this is cancelled out. Now 15x minus 16x, it will be minus x is equal to here. This is greater number and this is smaller number, so we get here minus. So 0 0, here minus 0 8, here 6 minus 4 2, 8 minus 0, means minus 280. Minus 1 cancel out, so we can write here x is equal to 280, means this value is for each chair. Now we put this value. See here, on putting the value of x in equation first. So see here, in equation first, what is equation first? 5x plus 4y is equal to 2800. This was equation first. Now we have to put the value of x in this equation. Means 5 into the value of x is here 280. See here, 280 plus here 4y is equal to 2800, means 2800. Now 5 into 0, 5 is 40, and 4, 5 is 20, and 4 24. Plus here 4y is equal to 2800, means 2800, and here 4y is equal to 2800 minus 2400. So see here, 4y is equal to here 0 1 0 here, and 8 minus 4 is 4, 2 minus 0. Means y is equal to 400 upon 4. See here, 4 under 4, 4 under 100. Means y is equal to 100. See this value, y is equal to 100. But see here, something is going wrong. Over that 5x plus 4y. This was our question. 5x plus 4y equation to 2800. We multiplied it 280. After 5 0 0. 5 is 40, 0 carrying on 4. 5 2 is 10. Sorry, 5 2 is 10. See here, 5 2 is 10. 10 and 4 14. So you see here, this one 1400. This one 1400. So 0 0. 8 minus 4 is 4, 2 minus 1 is 4, means 1400. So see here, this will become 1400 and 1400 upon 4. 4 3 is 12, carry on to 20, 4 5 is 20 and 0. This is right answer. Okay. So see here, this was mistake here in multiplying 5 0 is 0, 5 is 40. 0 carrying on 4, 5 2 is 10 and 4 14. It's right. In this way, we can say that the cost of each chair will be, where is the value of x? This is 280. Means the cost of, you can write, so the cost of each chair. The cost of each chair be rupees 280 and that of each table be rupees y means 350. It's right. This is our answer. So see here, we get the cost of one chair and one table, and according to first equation and according to first condition here and second condition, we prepare here two equations. After that, solving them, we get the value of x, and putting the value of x in equation first or second, both when put the value in equation first or second. Okay. So I have put the value of x in equation first, and we get here y equal to 350. In this way, we can solve this question. Okay. Same as you can solve many questions regarding this method. Okay. Means the value of each chair, the value of each table, first of all you have to get, after that you can solve it. It's right? So now you can take a screenshot and in next video I will discuss other types of questions. Okay, so on the basis of this type of question you solve, and after that I will meet you again in next video. Thank you.